Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we've got something that every car enthusiast and meticulous cleaner will absolutely love. The AIDEA Professional Microfiber Drying Towel 2PK. This right here is the best microfiber car drying towel you can get your hands on, and we're about to tell you why. So, stick around for the next few minutes as we dive into the features and benefits of this amazing product. First things first, let's talk about the key features of this towel. It's designed to make your car drying experience top-notch, and here's how it does that. Unparalleled absorption. With over 300,000 fibers per square inch, this towel can absorb up to 20 times its weight in liquid. That means it effortlessly and safely dries your car, leaving no stains or streaks behind. Premium microfiber. Crafted from premium microfiber car cleaning cloths, these towels are incredibly soft and ensure a flawless finish without any marks. Plus, they are safe for all surfaces, whether used dry, wet, or in spray conditions. Durability and reusability. These towels are built to last. You can wash and reuse them hundreds of times without worrying about them shrinking or losing their drying power, which ultimately saves you time and money. Scratch-free. The edges of these towels are carefully trimmed with a soft stretchy cloth to safeguard your car's paint. No scratches, no worries. Now, one of the things that sets this towel apart is its remarkable size. It measures a whopping 24 inches by 31 inches. That's enough to dry an entire SUV without breaking a sweat. But wait, there's more. This product comes in a pack of 2, so you're getting not 1, but 2 of these fantastic drying towels. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, here's the good news. It's currently on a Black Friday deal with a 20% discount. You can grab this 2-pack of AIDEA Professional Microfiber Drying Towels for just $7.99. That's a steal for a product of this quality. But you know what's even better? If you're an Amazon Prime member, you can snag this exclusive deal at an even lower price. So, if you're not a Prime member yet, maybe it's time to consider joining the club. Is this product really worth it? Well, let me assure you that AIDEA stands behind their product with a 100% service guarantee. If you're not satisfied with these car drying towels, you can contact them for a satisfactory solution. That's how confident they are in the quality of their product. So, there you have it, folks. The AIDEA Professional Microfiber Drying Towel 2PK is your ultimate companion for achieving that perfect, scratch-free finish on your car. It's durable, absorbent, and it's a fantastic deal, especially with that Black Friday discount. That's it for today's product review. If you want to get your hands on these incredible AIDEA towels, just click the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to Product Critique, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy drying, everyone!